guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a great weekend. In today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe for the most delicious Cornish hens. I did went ahead and washed my Cornish hens real well, cleaned them up, and I cut the backbone out of them. For the seasoning, I'll be using some tomato bouillon, chicken bouillon, all-purpose seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, paprika, and some complete seasoning. I also have some oil and some fresh green seasoning here. So let me show you how I prepared my green seasoning. I have here some garlic, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion, parsley, and cilantro. What I did was added some oil and use my hand blender and just blend to a nice smooth consistency. This gives your meat, fish, poultry, anything. It gives it great flavor and it's super quick and easy. Next, you want to combine all the seasoning. We'll add the green seasoning to the dry seasoning and then we'll add some oil to that. We'll mix until it's nicely combined, and this will be used as a marinade for the chicken. Now you want to generously coat your Cornish hens with that seasoning. Make sure you get all up in the legs, the breasts, all over, and make sure that they are nicely marinated. Then we'll allow them to sit for about 2 hours minimum. You want to allow them to marinate a little before cooking. So we'll allow them to rest. If you can let them go overnight, that would be best, but 2 hours minimum. Allow this to rest, and then I'll show you all the last step. So I did preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and now we'll place the Cornish hens in the oven for about 1 hour. After an hour, you want to baste them with those same juices, and then we'll place them back into the oven for 20 more minutes, allowing them to brown up some more. Once an hour and 20 minutes has passed, your Cornish hens should come out looking absolutely amazing. When I tell you these were delicious, my entire family enjoyed it. I did pair it up with some mashed potatoes and some sauteed green beans and carrots, and it was to die for. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and also please check out my Amazon storefront for some of my favorite items that I use to cook and ingredients. I will see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.